Welcome to today's Introduction to PowerPoint tutorial. Today we will be going through many steps you will need in order to create your own PowerPoint presentation. To begin, we will talk about your title slide. Your title slide indicates that you can click to add a title. In order to change the title, you simply select the box and type your title here. You can place a subtitle in the box below. Since we are using a sample today, instead of doing that, we will do our next step, choose a design. You can choose your design from the Design tab at the top. Once you have selected the Design tab, you can scroll down and select any of the sample designs that they have for you. Keep in mind the type of presentation that you are doing so that the design matches the nature of the presentation. Once you find the design you like, you can select it, and it changes the design of your entire presentation. Your second slide should always be your introduction slide. Remember to always keep it short. You should use short sentences and no more than 6 bullets per page. Next, you will use content slides. You should make sure that everyone should see your font from wherever they are in the presentation. It is therefore recommended that your font size be no less than 30. You can modify your font size by selecting the Home tab and monitoring your font size at the top. You can modify it by selecting it and increasing your font size or decreasing your font size. You can also select a specific font size with the drop-down menu. However, you may need more space. So to add more pages, simply select the slide you are on and right-click. Once you've done so, you can select New Slide. Now you will see in my slide viewer, I have created a new slide. The format will hold true to the other slides within your presentation. Again, you can add the title of your slide, such as Content Continued, and then add your subtext here. When you are ready to proceed to the next slide, you can move down using your slide viewer. Be sure that each presentation ends with a conclusion slide. Once you've done so, you should always spell check. In order to spell check, select the Review tab at the top of your toolbar. From here, you can select ABC Spelling. This spell check works much like it does in Word and allows you to change words within the presentation. Once your spell check is complete, you will be given a notice. So let's return to our conclusion slide within the slide viewer and continue on to our last slide. The last slide will always be your reference slide. Here you should indicate any references that you have used in the creation of your presentation. And don't forget that you should save and save often. To save your presentation, select File and then Save. From here, it is important that you remember where you save your file, such as the desktop, and what you name your slide. Be sure to remember these things so that you can easily find your presentation later. I hope this has helped you in the creation of your basic PowerPoint presentation.